Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate my 6 web technology lab experiment, and we were given the questions as follows. These exercises are based on the timer functions and objects where we use different functions such as set interval, set timeout, etc. And this is the first question, which shows write a JavaScript code to display the digital clock, and here I have written the code for it, where I have made a function display and a variable which is t, and it calls the function new date, then a variable h which calls t dot get hours, variable m which is equal to t dot get minutes, s which is equal to t dot get seconds. Hence, hours, minutes and seconds are stored in these variables. Now also, if you want to display that whether the time is am or pm, then I have done these changes. I have made the variable name as am. Now, if the hour is greater than 11, then a is pm. That will give me 12 pm. If r is greater than 12, then h is h minus 12 and a is pm. If r is equal to 0, then h is 12, because these functions give us the time in 24-hour format, and if we want to display it in a 12-hour format, it will be done accordingly. The second question is write a JavaScript code to change the background color for every 30 seconds, and hence I have given this particular code. Here I have made a function colors, and here the primary colors are taken, the red, blue and green, and here mat.floor, mat.random into 255. 255 is the RGB range, and so the random function selects the random colors from their primitive areas. So red, blue and green are combined together in the variable color, and finally I am displaying in the body, like I want it in the total background. The background color has to be changed, and hence document.getElement by tag name body of 0.style background color, and this is the color which is being stored, that is red, green and blue accordingly. And where time is set interval colors dot 2500. I have given it at an interval of 2500 seconds. Now, this third experiment is to change the font size. Now, create the event handlers that will increase the font size when the mouse moves over the paragraph and decrease the size when the mouse moves off the paragraph. Hence, I have written a function increase size, where the paragraph where I have written my this is my paragraph, para 1, id is para 1, and I have given an event on mouse over and on mouse out. On mouse over will call the function increase size, and on mouse out will call the function decrease size, and hence using dot style means whenever we want to add some CSS property in our code snippet, we call it using document.getElement by id. The id dot style is equal to font size, and then I can increase the size and subsequently decrease the size. The fourth question is write a JavaScript code to move absolutely position car image when a user clicks the move button and stop the image when a user clicks the stop button. Hence, I have written a function here. First, I have displayed my image. Our image is given and two buttons are there, where I have called the functions on click, move and on click, stop. Now, when my on click, like initially what I have done in the function init, and on the onload, when the web page is loaded, the initial function is called image is equal to document.getElement by id image. That is, this image is initially there. Image.style.position is relative, and image.style.left is 0 pixels. Means it will be positioned at the extreme left. When the move button is clicked, then the move function will be called, and the image.style.left becomes % image.style.left plus 10 pixels. I'm moving that to 10 pixels, and animate is equal to set timeout move comma 1000, which means the speed or the time for which it moves is 1000. Then function stop, that is clear timeout animate. Clear timeout means it will stop moving, means the function, the interval, the thing which we are giving to move, that is the move function, the motion will be stopped completely. And now I want my image to come at its initial left mode position again. Hence I give image.style.left is 0 pixel and animate is equal to none. The fifth question is, create an array of objects where each object describes about a student and its or her properties. For example, name, register number, year of birth, and iterate and display the values. Hence I created an array of objects, object name, property, and then with an array I have displayed the values. So here, this is my array. I have stored the name, register number, date of birth, name, register number, date of birth, and using a for loop here in the place, in the span tag here, span id is equal to name1. Here I have displayed. Now this is an array of objects. Hence, to access one object here, array of i.name is array of i.register number, which means this name and this register number will be called. Hence, this is the demonstration of the code. Now I'll show you the output. Okay, this is the digital clock. The time is 9:25:21 seconds and PM, because we had specified AM and PM specifically. Dynamic background, you can see the background is changing on its own. Change font size, when my cursor is over it, the font has increased. When my cursor is out, the font has come to its normal font. See this. And this is for the car. Start. The image starts moving, and stop, it goes back to its initial position. And now to display the student information, here I get the register number of the student name is the student's register number. Hence, this illustrates my 6th web technology lab experiment. Thank you.